The first Sicily lovers arrived!
Yeah, we love
Say something!
We're home, we came back home.
Adriana, would you like to say something?
Yes, it's so good to be here in Sicily. Every time I come here, I get so emotional. I can't stop crying.
And I'm going to pick her up when she falls over. I love Sicily myself. I can't believe I'm here again. Thank you, Rosella and Gianca. Wonderful time. The best.
Rosanne, where is Rosanne and Leeds?
Dov'è Rosanne?
Leeds,
Leeds.
say something.
I finally made it.
The time is now. We've been waiting for so long and the time is now.
And we have the Mirasola's family.
Oh, we're so happy to be here.
Came all the way from Houston, Texas, and from Chicago as well to get here. We're looking forward to it.
All of them are Sicilians, of course. And then we have the Lucidos.
Oh, ciao, ciao! We're so excited to be here. We've waited for so long.
So long to
and
be here.
It's just a dream come true. And it's already perfect.
What about the very beginning of the tour? Say something about this surprise.
Oh my gosh, a wonderful surprise. We had already planned on hitting a pasticceria. And now
As I said before, this is just a training for your next days. Because the worst has to come. So they had something special that only, not in Palermo, only in this pastry shop they make, the Saint's Fingers. Tell about your experience.
just delicious, just melted in your mouth.
Unbelievable.
It's unbelievable. Only in this pastry shop, and I have to say the name because I don't care to make advertising because they deserve. Scimone. If you come to Palermo, you can miss it. And they also had gelato. What about the traditional gelato?
The pastry was delicious. The fingers, the ricotta. I'm used to eating ricotta in America, but not like in
And
Sicily.
they are experts because they are all coming from Sicily. They have origin in Sicily.
Yeah.
Abbiamo intervistato i signori?
Lui sì, lei no, Rosanne. We miss
Rosanne.
Rosanne.
Let's introduce you to Rosanne. How are you, Rosanne?
I'm doing fine.
How
I'm
do
so
you feel?
excited to be here, and I'm just
This
loving
is your
this.
homeland. How do you feel?
Yes, I'm excited. I can't believe I'm here. It took us.
Can't wait to go to Cacamo.
Cacamo.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Everybody's
Where
waiting to go to
family
Cacamo. Me too, because I'm passionate about the Sicilian sausage. In Cacamo, they make the best sausage. And
So we're going to see our family.
be patient. Only a few days, and we will be there.
So now we are ready to go to the hotel because they are just landed. So they are a little bit tired but beautiful, and so they need to rest.
Are we ready to show the beach, the Mondello
Yes,
Beach? This
let's
is another
see the
highlight
beach
in Palermo.
to take
in
a
Sicily.
picture, and we can go.
Andiamo sul bus. Okay, guys, we can go to the hotel.
It is a beautiful beach. Beautiful water.
We were here, we drove by here.
I'm sorry.
Come with me, don't worry.
We drove, the last time we were here was in
Gonna do it,
November.
love?
Yeah, we can, because we have to say all together the most famous greetings, no? Maybe you can switch, Gianca.
No, I wanna film you. You're beautiful.
So, be ready all together, you already know.
Yes.
See you in the next days, dear Sicily lovers. So, it's time to say all together. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily! Come with us, come with us, come with us. together.
One more time.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, see you tomorrow. Ciao.
Andiamo al bar.
I'm on Indy.
Back to the bus. I've been so many places.
This was a nice treat. Thank you, thank you. Very nice.
Very
treat.
nice.
Good surprise.
That wasn't on the agenda.
We had a very special beginning. The tour is starting in the best way possible.
Number one thing to do.
Now we are moving to the hotel. They have to have the check-in at the hotel, and officially the tour will start tomorrow.
Yes.
So this is just a
preview.
preview. They are part of the group.
Yeah.
We are expecting
2 more people tomorrow and 2 people arrived yesterday.
Yeah.
So 15 beautiful Sicily lovers.
and tomorrow we will have the special welcome dinner in Palermo.
And the aperitif as well.
As well the aperitif in the roof garden. So, Rosella, tieni un attimo questo che voglio fare vedere dove andiamo, così si vede Montello.
Possiamo andare.
So this is Mondello Beach, one of the most popular locations in Italy.
And it's very crowded.
Yeah, because the climate is perfect. Right now you can enjoy the beach, you can swim.
And there are a lot of young people because schools are going to close.
Schools are over.
Yeah. So all the teenagers are there.
Come ti senti? How do you feel, Rosella?
I'm so excited. It's unbelievable. After 2 years, don't make me cry, okay? I will cry at the end when I have to say bye-bye. But so far, it's unbelievable. We are very excited and we are very lucky because this is not a job, no? This is a beautiful family of Sicily lovers, so it will be a tour between members' family, and we are blessed.
And say hello to Donna Naples.
Ciao
Donna!
we miss you.
We want to say hello to Ciao Donna! Donna is watching us.
And if you want to join the next edition of Sicily Lovers Tour, you can check our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and search for Sicily Vacation Package. The next edition will be from May 2019 to June 10, so be ready to enjoy yourself. And now, let's go!
Now we will move to the old city center of Palermo. This is Via Regina Elena, a beautiful street that, how do you say, that crosses the nature reserve La Favorita, a beautiful nature reserve in Palermo. And on our left we can see Mount Pellegrino, the famous mountain where Santa Rosalia, where our patron saint lived her last years of her life. Okay, Rosella, it's time to say bye-bye.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!